Let's look at this question number 46 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. The total number of shared pair of electrons in the compound below is, the compound here is methane with this structure. Option A 5, B 6, C 10, D 12. So how do we solve this? Now the compound we have is H going to C with double bond to another C. We have another H here, another H, and another H, all connected. And we all know that carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell, and this 4 is going to pair with other ones. So now we have 4 electrons at the outermost shell of this very carbon. Let's say it's this carbon. Then we have another carbon here with another 4 electrons. Now you have how many hydrogen? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 hydrogen. So how are we going to have this bond completed? How are we going to have it completed? Now we are going to have this bonding with this to have this single bond. We're also going to have this bonding with this to have another bond, creating this double bond. Then these remaining atoms, hydrogen is going to come here, this one hydrogen, and bond with this. Another hydrogen is going to come with this one valence electron and also bond with this. Whereas these other 2 hydrogen, one is going to come here to bond with this, then this other one is going to come here to bond with this. So how many electrons are involved in all this bonding? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8, we have 9, we have 10, we have 11, and we have 12. So we have 12 electrons being shared between them in this very action. So very, very importantly, with this sharing now, you have all of them to be completing their normal octet configuration. So with this sharing, this carbon will have the natural 4 it had before, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's now pairing with this 5, with this one 6, with this one 7, with this one 8, making it complete. The same thing happens to this one. It's natural for 1, 2, 3, 4, but now pairing with this 5, getting this one 6, getting this one attached 7, getting this one attached 8, making it the normal 8. So that is how you go about this. So the right answer is 12. So to solve this, you must know that each carbon has how many valence electron? 1, 2, 3, 4. But it needs 8 to complete. It has 4, but it needs 8 to be stable. So it's going to look for these electrons to make it stable. So it's getting 2 from the other carbon. If this is carbon, it will get 2 from this one. That's why we have double bond. So once it gets 2, it now has 6. So it's remaining other 2. So those other 2 it will get from the 2 hydrogen atom that is bonding with it. This other one will also get 2 from the hydrogen to complete it to 8 and make it stable. Thank you.